Okay, y'all, so for our Ooooey Gooey Bars today, we're going to be using the Super Moist Triple Chocolate Fudge Cake Mix. We have 3 eggs, 1 stick of butter each, melted, so 2 sticks of butter, cream cheese, walnuts, vanilla flavor, and powdered sugar. This is all that we need for today. We have our bowl that we're going to mix our cake mix in. We have also sprayed our pan with pan and lined it with parchment paper, and we have went ahead and set our oven for 350 degrees. So let's get started with today's recipe. Okay, so to our mixing bowl, we are going to add our cake mix. We are going to add 1 stick of melted butter that we melted in the microwave. We are going to add 1 egg. And we're going to mix that together. Okay, so this is what our cake mix is looking like now that it's kind of mixed together. You could also use a hand mixer. I just decided to use a spatula spoon, but for the most part this is what it looks like. So we're about to take this and transfer it to our other pan, so let's go do that. Make sure you clean your hands for this part, because we're just going to take it, we're going to press it into our pan. Okay, so this is what it looks like flattened out. So let's get started on our filling, and we'll be back to put the filling on top of our cake mix. So here we're going to add 1 box of cream cheese. We're going to add our melted butter. A teaspoon of vanilla, two eggs, and we're also going to add walnuts at this point. And we're slowly going to add in our powdered sugar. We have 2 cups of powdered sugar. Alright y'all, so this is what our ooey gooey filling is looking like. It's basically done. So let me turn it off. Gonna get ready to pour that on top of our cake mix. Alright y'all, if you want to be a little bit extra and want more walnuts, we're gonna take some and just put them on top of our cake mix before we add our icing. Just because, why not? Okay. So we're gonna take our ooey gooey filling. We're gonna pour that on top. Look at that. It definitely looks ooey and gooey. A lot of it in here too. Just gonna take that and spread that around. Sure you kind of get it evenly on here as much as possible. You want to taste every bite of ooey gooiness for sure. This spot over there. Like we're about to be ready to put it into our 350-degree oven for about 45 minutes and we'll be back. Let's go ahead and put her in the oven. Bye bye ooey gooey. Alright y'all, so it's been about 45 minutes. And this is what our Oooey Gooey Bars are looking like. It'll give us a jiggle. It still has a little jiggle, which is that's what we want. Because that's what makes it Ooooey Gooey. We still want that little melted center. So we're going to take this out of the oven and we're going to let it cool for probably about 30 minutes to an hour. We're going to give it a nice cut and see what it's talking about. Alright. This is what our Oooey Gooey Bars look like. Pull it down. It's been about an hour. So let's cut into it and see what we got here. Let's see what it tastes like. It's good, y'all. It is good. Well, y'all, I hope y'all enjoy this recipe. That's what all we got for today. Hope y'all like, comment, subscribe to my channel. I'll see y'all next time for the next episode.